Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty Tantra. So in today's video I'm going to review some of my favorite products which are related to women's health. So as you guys know, as we women age, there are so many internal changes in our body that we need to address. So in this video I'll be introducing you guys to some of the products that are very important for women's well-being. So if you guys are interested in this video, then please keep on watching. So this brand and me was very kind enough to send me their products and review it for you guys. So I'll be reviewing these products today. So starting off with this product, this is a plant-based collagen booster. Now what is collagen booster? So as we women age, we began to lose the collagen in our body, which is a key ingredient to prevent you from your wrinkles, and also elastin, which is responsible for the skin sagging. So to restore this key ingredient, which is going to help you with your wrinkles and pre-aging caused due to various internal and external factors, we need this collagen booster for that young and youthful skin. So now let's talk about the benefits of this product. So this is a plant-based collagen booster for women. It is going to help hydrate your skin. It repairs with the elasticity of your skin, which is going to prevent the sagging of your skin. It also helps to revive that glow, which is going to give you that younger and youthful looking skin. It is going to help with your external aging. It also helps in reducing your all acne. Now this product doesn't contain any artificial sugar, color, preservatives or any sort of artificial ingredients. So this is a plant-based product and it is 100% vegan. So now let's talk about the ingredient of this product. So this has sea buckthorn extract, ginkgo extract that is going to help to restore your collagen. It also has 30 mg of hyaluronic acid, and as you guys know, hyaluronic acid is so good ingredient. It is going to prevent all the dryness of your skin. This also has areca nut and aloe vera that is going to help with the elasticity of your skin, which is going to prevent your skin from sagging. It also has pearl powder and 24 karat gold flakes, which is going to give you that youthful looking and young skin. So let's see how I like to use it. So what I do is I simply have to put 1 spoon in a glass of water. I like my water to be chilled, and that's it. Just mix it and you're done. So you can already see my skin has started glowing. It looks so youthful. Also it looks so hydrated, and as you guys know that I am a dehydrated person. I literally don't like drinking water at all. So for people like me, this is a very good product as it is going to make your skin hydrated, so your acne and all the acne problems is also going to be solved. So this is a very good product, and I highly recommend this product to all the women out there who are in their early 30s. So you can also get this product from their &Me app, which is available on Android and as well as iOS. So I'm going to link it down for you guys in the description box, so you can directly go and buy it from their app. So this 250 gram of product is going to cost you just 8.99 rupees. You can go and check it on their app and directly get it from there. And as it is a collagen booster, I think it is very important for us women to stay hydrated, to stay healthy and to look glowing and youthful. So now let's talk about the second product, which is a probiotic and prebiotic drink. So this drink is going to help you in all your vaginal problems, because as you guys know, the vaginal problem can affect your fertility. It can also cause stress, then relationship problems, which is going to impact your self-confidence. So it is very important to keep your vagina healthy. So now let's talk about the packaging. So this is how the box looks like, and it includes this 25 sachets. So this sachet comes in very handy and very easy to use. You simply have to put this sachet in 120 ml of regular water. You have to stir and then drink it, so it becomes very convenient. You can even travel with this. So the packaging also includes all sorts of colors of your discharge and what color indicates what. For example, if your discharge is white and clear, it is termed as a healthy discharge, and likewise. So you can also scan to this QR code which is given on their box, and you can talk to their health expert and get more access about your vagina, and you can ask various amounts of questions, your concern about vagina, and they are going to help you recommend the best products which improves your vagina vaginal health. Let's talk about its benefits and key ingredient. So it has Ashoka and Amla as their key ingredient, which is going to help balance vaginal pH level. It also reduces abnormal discharge. This is going to fight against yeast infection. This is also going to help you in reducing your bacterial infection. This is going to improve your gut. This is totally vegan. No artificial flavors or colors or preservatives are added. So yeah, this is a 100% vegan products, and I totally genuinely recommend this product for women's health and safety, because as you guys know, we women tend to ignore our health, like just for family's sake or just for any other reason. We don't take care of our health that much as how we should. So these products come in help and rescue in that thing. So these are very convenient and very easy to use, and also these are going to help with all your problems. This collagen booster is going to help you with your skin and wrinkles issues, and this is going to help you with all your vaginal problems. So I 100% recommend this product to you guys. I have used this product, and as you can see, my skin has already started to glow. There are no acne, no sagging of skin, no wrinkles whatsoever. So I would highly recommend this collagen booster and this prebiotic and probiotic drink. So you can get this product on their app, which I'm going to link it down for you guys, which is the &Me app. You can also install it on your Android as well as iOS. So any questions if you have about the product or the well-being of this product, you can just scan to the QR code and the experts are ready to help you. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also turn on the notification bell icon so that every time I upload a new video, you guys are going to get notified. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.